Hey there, this is John Barton from JB Cases. We're doing a weekly showcase for the week of Friday the 13th. Ooh. Alright, let's do it. Friday the 13th is a big, superstitious holiday for us.
Wow.
It's not really a holiday, but it's just, it's considered to be an unlucky day.
Can we go party?
Like a scare, well, theoretically, you shouldn't go out on Friday the 13th because, bad things. It's a day when people think bad things will happen.
Oh, okay. Like what?
Like, for example, the tag on your shirt might be out. All right, people, let's get going. My voice is still a little bit hoarse from being sick the last week, so sorry if I'm not pronouncing things correctly. All right, so this is a black and blue 3x6. For JFS with backpack straps and blue zipper pulls, light blue zipper pulls, and a black interior. Very cool. I could talk like Lucas now, right? So we had a customer of ours who's become a friend. His name is Lucas Grun from Germany, and I was teasing him all week when he was here about how smooth his voice is, and he would always go, "All right." And he does. He's got like a perfect radio voice or something, right? Well, come to find out, he had an accident where he tore up his vocal cords. So he's got one vocal cord now. He doesn't have two. I guess, do you have two? I don't even know how many you have. But anyway, he's got one. So it made his voice have that timbre that it has right there. And it's so smooth. I mean, the way he talks is just so awesome. So in that situation, even though he was in an accident, I think he came out of it, in that situation pretty good because he's real smooth. So he's the smooth jazz of talkers. All right, this one here is a leather case, leather 3x6, 3-butt 6 shafts. This is all hand tooled, hand stamped, and colored. Very pretty with 3 pockets. See, we got 2 pockets. This is custom here. So instead of the one longer pocket, we have 3 medium-sized pockets. So that's how we do that with custom, custom requests. And magnetic latch on the side. See how that works? And a red 3x6 interior. There you go. For those of you who don't think we do high-end cases, we certainly do. And there you go. What did this case run, honey?
About
$775. So there you go, folks. Feel free to point out anything this good with this much protection that's really well made for $775. All right, this one here is a black 2x3 with backpack straps. And on the pocket it says Holman, maybe? I'm not sure. I can't read Gothic letters. A lot of people love them and they can read them easily. They're not my favorite, but they do have a cool look to them. It's just that I have a hard time reading them. Alright, then I have here a black 2x5, 3x4 with red stitching. And a name on there, 2-inch. Once again, sorry if I mispronounce stuff. It's never my intention to mispronounce anybody's name. That's 2x5, 3x4. Alright, then I have here a leather rugged style right here. This is cowhide print with gator. It's like a gator texture to it. Very pretty. Let me show you this really up close. It's really nice. And this has a taller lid with, let's see, do we have a ball holder in the lid? 3 butts, 6 shafts with a ball holder. There you go. How much does something like this run, honey? About 600? Alright. So there you go, folks, on that one, about 600. Okay, this is a 4x8 right here. Black and red with gray stitching, says wild card on there. You'll notice this has no, oh, I thought it had no top handle, sorry, I don't know what I was looking at. And a gray interior. Very nice callback there to the gray stitching. Very well done. Okay, then I have here a 2x5, 3x4, black and orange with one strap, and says Chi-Town on it. Now this one has a flip top lid with a magnetic closure. So you can see how that looks right here. So flip top with magnetic closure, just like that. Looks great. All right, and this is a hybrid right here. This one is a 3x6, I think. We'll see in a moment when I open it. With magnetic top, and then this one opens like this. And this has a butterfly interior inside with 3 butts and 6 shafts. And then this could hold a. This one can hold a 2x5 interior. Have you guys tried it?
No.
Yeah, we'll try it. So the way it's made is it's made to hold a, or initially the way we made these was it would hold a plastic interior inside, and I think one might fit in there. So we'll try it and see. But so the user can combinate. They can either have a hard interior, or if they prefer, they can have a semi-hard interior, the same as we do on the butterflies. And this case does open all the way around, so it can be opened fully this way or just a top opening. Alright, the next case I have here is an army green with white and red, and this one has the handle on the opposite side as we normally put it, so if you want that you have to ask for it in the notes. And you'll notice that when carrying it in the hand, the name will be correct. So if you're carrying it in your left hand like this, then it would read correctly right there. And this has white stitching. And so, as I said, a 3x4 or 2x5 interior in red. There you go. So just remember, even though we don't show it in the designer, you can ask for it and just tell us you want the handle on the opposite side, and that's not a problem. Okay, this one here is black and orange with one strap. JB Case's logo on top. Thank you very much. And we have stitching right here under the handle. And by the way, if you're the owner of this case, please remember that when you grab it under the handle, your nails are going to naturally hit the case right here. So just be careful and don't do that, otherwise you will end up tearing up your stitching. That is not something that is warranted. Okay, that would be normal wear and tear. So just be careful with that when you're doing it. Just grab it, make sure when you do it you don't put your fingernails on there, because then it will start tearing up the stitching. So just like that, okay? All right. Oh, and now let me show you the interior. It's probably orange. Nope, black. There you go, black 3x4. All right. Here I have a light blue and black. Also a 2x5, 3x4. This one looks like it's a fan of the North Carolina Tar Heels. There you go, it's pretty cool. Black, blue and black with a black interior. There you go, 3 butts, 4 shafts. Alright, moving on here, I've got this one here. This is a black and pink for Brandy, with pink stitching, pink zipper pulls. Also a 3x4, 2x5. There you go, looks great. Let me snip that off, please. Okay. This is a black and army green, or Marine Corps green, if you will. Case with a Marine Corps logo right there. Pretty cool. And this one has a green interior. And there we go, with a ball holder. The ball holder will fit inside the pocket, or not a ball holder, the joint protector and chalk holder. There you go. All right, then here, this is a very special one. This is a rugged style, all leather case. This is veg tan. And this has a special inlay inside, or a window, where the customer had a particular design that he wanted. And what we did was we cut out a window and we printed the design so that it makes a really cool kind of abstract kind of diamond look in there. Guys see that? Now check it out. This is also on the back. Look. Let's show you that. How cool is that, huh? And this one has a 3x6 with a ball holder in the lid. What would a case like this run, honey? About 700. That's a lot of case right there for $700, don't y'all think?
750.
About 750. I'll start getting more exact prices here for you guys when I show you this stuff. You just keep going up. You're like,
No.
you said 700. Like, oh, maybe that's a little too low. Maybe I should tell them higher.
Because we add more things after the case was in, after the order was in.
Oh, this is cool. Okay, this one says get busy living or get busy dying. There you go. That's a pretty good motivational phrase right there. I like it. There's a 2x5, 3x4, black and orange with a black interior. There you go. Two little white things on there. A little dust in there. All right, this one is a 3x6, and this is for Chilbury. Get the name just right there. That looks cool. Black and gray with backpack straps, gray stitching, and a blue interior. There you go. Oh, it's a 2x5, 3x4. Oh, can I get anything right today? All right. And I think that one, got a little bit more. Nope, already showed you those. So this is a 4x8 black and purple with white piping. And this one is for Amber with backpack straps and let's see, purple zipper pulls and a purple interior. There you go. Alright, then I have a black, red, white, and blue case. Black body, red, white, and blue accents on here. Got a really cool embroidery of an eagle right there with the American flag wings. And this one is from Miles. And it says right here for Michael Miles. There you go. Thank you very much, Mr. Miles. Or whoever purchased it from Mr. Miles. Alright, this one here is a 4x8 for Blaney. This is black with teal and purple. Very cool. Or light blue. With 4x8 black interior. And we have here a extra compartment in the lid with a little magnetic lid. There you go. How cool is that? Alright, is that it? Okay, well, that's it, folks. So we're going to get busy packing. Y'all have a good day. And remember, if you don't want to buy it yourself, jbcases.com. You design it, we'll build it. Thank you.